Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with me today, man. So y'all see, I got the S1K in front of me, man. So I'm gonna talk about today in this video why I am selling my 2016 BMW S1000RR premium package. Premium means has all the bells and whistles, man. So I'm gonna talk about why I'm selling it for one. And two, I'm gonna go ahead and show everything I've done to it here really quick, which isn't much, but just in case I got a lot of people online asking me questions about it and things like that. I'll go ahead and start with it. Again, it's 2016 BMW S1000RR premium package. So what that means is it has the heated grips, cruise control, forged wheels, which is the lighter wheel, not the cast wheel, launch control, all the different modes unlocked. So rain mode, sport mode, race mode, slick mode, again, cruise control, it does work, ABS, all that, right? The two issues, I'm gonna go and start at two issues one. So the first issue is right here in front of you. I'm not sure if y'all can see. I replaced my bulbs with halogen bulbs, right? I mean LED bulbs. So now when I replaced it, the first LED bulbs I put in there, they were no good. It was like overheating, so it popped them. So when it popped them, I tried to go in and take them out. But as you can see, when I tried to take them out, it actually fell in the freaking housing, man. So the extra bulb is in there. Not sure if y'all can see that. That's one, but the bulbs still work. The new ones work. My hands are so big, guys, to go in there and try to get this out. It took forever just to get it in. I'm not worried about it. So the bulb is still in there. That's easy. Another guy, he said he had the same issue with his. You can just get a clothes hanger with some tape on it and get it out, is what he told me. But I have not done that today. The second thing is down here on the fairing. Not dropped, not scratched. They would come blow right as I'm freaking talking, man. And the second thing is this fairing right here. It's not broken, but I think when they went in to put in, I had the dealer, I bought it from putting these turn signals. I think they broke the clip. So this fairing you see there, get down and show y'all. Sometimes this pops over. Like, I think this clip, yeah, they broke the clip right here. They broke that fastener. So this fairing right here just won't fasten, but then it sometimes pop out. I just do that. But yeah, so I think the company or whoever, when they put the tail lights, these on, because these went on when I went and looked at it, I think they broke this. They broke the freaking clip, man. So that's the only thing wrong. Other than that, everything else is fine. So that fairing clip piece right there freaking broke. And I didn't catch it until after the fact. Like after a long time, one of my friends I was riding with, that fairing had kind of popped over the lower fairing. He's like, hey man, your fairing's shaking. So yeah, they broke the freaking fairing clip. But other than that, that's it. Nothing else is wrong with the bike. It's in perfect running condition, perfect shape. Yeah, it's clean. I keep it stored here in the storage, and I also keep it covered in the storage. So those are only two issues. Like I said, one is super easy to fix with getting the bulbs out. The other, I don't know about that, getting that fixed or whatever, but it's no deal. It works fine. It doesn't cause any issues. You just have to be, when you're riding, if it pops out, just put it back over. But that's it. Those are only two issues with the bike. Now, everything I've done to it, I've added, like I said, LED lights. It's just LED bulb. MRA windscreen, I added that. I also added the Pazzo levers here. These were about like 140, 150. Has frame slides on there. The dealer put those on there. I haven't taken them off. I put on these carbon fiber heel guards right here, as y'all can see. M4, this is not a full exhaust, it's just a slip-on. Still have the stock part in the storage. I got all the stock parts for everything I did. Everything I still have, every stock part. So it's just a slip-on exhaust. And I was just going for the black look because I didn't have the money to do a full exhaust right at the back. So I just want something black. And found an M4 exhaust slip-on. So that still has the caps and everything. Back here on the back, I put in these spools, gold spools. I actually got another set at the house I need to put on. I also did the TST Industries integrated tail light. So that's on there. If you're worried about what my plate is, I don't have a plate on there because I don't want to put a plate on. So I do have a plate. It is registered, clean titled, everything. And I have a new super light sprocket front and rear sprockets. I also have these gold sprocket nuts I put on there because I was going for a black and gold theme. I do have also the EKD 3D chain, which is new as well. So the chain and sprocket setup, guys, probably had like 600-700 miles on them total. Also got a new 200 series Michelin Power S tire on the back. That tire probably has like 600 miles on it. And also I added the TWM quick cap release. Again, I was going black and gold, so you can see it's black and gold. And I also have a Sprint air filter in here as well. And that's it. That's all the miles I've done to it, man. The price I got it listed for is not including the miles, I can tell you that for sure. Cause I'm trying to sell the bikes. I'm trying to move, so I have it listed at the price just with moving. It's listed fair. I'm not gonna take less than what I have it listed for. But yeah, what it will need going forward it has about 11,600, 700 miles on it. It's gonna need a new tire soon, but don't worry, I got you. I actually got a brand new Michelin Power S tire at home for the front. I decided to sell it. I like, you know what, I'm gonna sell it, so I'm not gonna go put it on since I'm gonna sell it. I'll just give it to the new buyer and they can do whatever they want with it. So you do get a brand new front tire with it as well. Oh, forgot, I also put on Cox front radiator and oil guard, so you got radiator guards up there in the front as well. And I think that's it, man. The bike is clean, man, and it's a great machine. So I have not started it in about 2 weeks. I haven't ridden it 2 weeks. But one, it's cold and I don't have any winter gear, and I decided to sell the bike, so I didn't buy any winter gear. So today's actually like 78 degrees in Dallas. Today is December 9th, if you're watching this. December 9th, if you're watching this video. Like 78 degrees. So I decided to come ride today. But I don't have cold gear, so when it's been cold, I haven't been riding. But I do have heated grips, so that does help when I have ridden like 50-degree weather. Not too bad. It's everything going on with the bike. Like I said, nothing clean, nothing crazy to it, nothing done that you're gonna have issues with. It's just a stock bike with some black parts for the home, you know, black and gold. I haven't started in 2 weeks, so messing. I think it's gonna be due for an oil change in probably about 1,000 miles or so. It's gonna be due for an oil change. So I had not started this bike in like 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and start it. Shit, hopefully it comes on. This is gonna be a true cold start. Oh shit, it started right up. Yes, sir. So y'all can hear, man, it started right up like a champ. So I was worried that it was gonna be dead because of the battery, because it's sitting for like 2 weeks. So what I do, usually when I store my bikes up during the winter time, I always leave a full gas tank in there, because I don't want to leave any room for like corrosion or anything to be sitting there. So I fill my tank up and leave it full of gas all the time. I heard you don't want an empty tank just sitting, because it's gonna dry rot from the inside, I think. I haven't rode the bike in like 2 weeks, like I said, so now I'm about to ride it, talk about why I'm selling it. And yeah, we'll go from now. About to go check some air, because again, I haven't ridden it in so long. But here's the integrated tail light. For those who wonder what it looks like, I'll show you the turn signal. There's the turn signal there. Boom. Looks damn good. That looks so good. Ooh, that looks good. So let me just jump right into why I want to sell the bike. So honestly, the main reason I'm selling the bike is because of my YouTube channel, and I want to go a different direction with it right now. Yeah, I can stop the video right there. That's really it. That's the only reason, man. Right now the bike content is doing okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not bad, but I feel like a car at this point, to help the channel grow to where I want it to be, a car would just be a slight bit better for the channel, you know. There's just a bigger car audience. But yeah, that's simply it, guys. The bike itself is in immaculate condition. Like, nothing wrong with it, no issues at all. This was my dream bike, like my dream bike. That's when I got it for my birthday. So nothing is wrong with the bike. Perfect bike. I'm a big guy, 6'2", 300, and the bike fits me pretty good. I probably look big on it, but the bike fits me. It's like the only 1,000cc that I could get on and feel comfortable. So there's nothing with the bike at all. It's really just a personal decision, almost kind of like a business decision. I have to make a business decision to help the channel grow. And you know, if I go and try to get a car and it don't work out, not get a car, but like if I get a car and it don't work out for the channel and all that, I just sell the car and go back to a bike. Like, I love riding. Like, riding is what I do. This is strictly like a business decision for me right now. But anyway, yeah, nothing's wrong with the bike. The bike performs excellently. Excellent. And it's fun as shit, and it's fast as shit. Like, I'm telling you, this bike is so fast. I told y'all, I'm 6'2", 300 pounds, plus pounds, excuse me. And this bike lifts the wheel in first gear. Even with all the electronics and stuff on, man, this bike still lifts the front wheel on you, like, for real, no lie. It has so much power. Like, some of my races y'all seen me racing other 1,000cc bikes, not those heavy modified one, like other stock 1,000 bikes. Those riders are usually way lighter than me, and this bike either toe-to-toe with them or slightly behind them. And those guys are probably like, I think the heaviest guy was probably like 200 on the stock, 220 on the stock bike. The other guy was like 160, and this bike ran with them all. Like, and I'm 300 pounds, so this bike is a freaking machine, man. It's fast as shit, like super fast. I tell people, it still scares the shit out of me. Like, for real. Like, there's times it scares the shit out of me because it's that damn fast. But I'm telling you, if you get this bike, man, it's a handful. It's a lot of bike, for sure. You better, I ain't gonna say you better know what you're doing, but you better know what you're doing. You feel me? So let me go ahead and put some air in the tires really quick, and then we'll get back on. Alright, guys, tire pressure wasn't that bad. I put 40 in the back, and I put 36 up front. I usually, if I go like to the twisties, I drop it like 38, 37 in the back, and then about 36 in the front still. So the tires actually were okay. It was 38 back here, and then I think the front was like 34, so wasn't too bad. And they've been sitting for, like I said, it's been sitting for a week or two. Yeah, this is a lot of work, man. It's a lot of work on this thing, getting it, not this bike, but just bikes in general. If you don't own one, you know, getting gas and putting air in the tires and all that stuff. Let's see how many miles on this thing right now. I went the wrong way. 11,687, guys. So I'm probably about to be over 11.7 after today, for sure. Because I just want to ride the bike. It's been sitting and I don't want it to sit. But I'm trying to keep the miles low at the same time. So, yeah, but I don't want it to just sit here and get old. What did my boy Lou? Is that Lou? No, that ain't Lou. Lou, is that you? So the cruise control works. So when you set the cruise control on, another thing, well, I got the bike on. When you put the cruise control on, the light isn't coming on. The light doesn't come on. I don't know why. But when you actually set it, there's your cruise control light. And look, the cruise control does work, guys. No hands, cruise control work. Everything works fine. So oh my god. Shit, I didn't. I misride this goddamn bike, bro. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't want to sell it. I really don't. I love this damn bike. I said it was my dream bike. I love it. It has everything I wanted in the bike. Look at that, clutch is downshifting and auto blip upshifting. Tires are cold, so I gotta be careful. But everything I want, and it's fast as shit. Shit. I'm gonna tell you right now, the saving grace for me wanting to sell it, be honest with you, because it's winter time and it's cold, or it gets a little cold. Now some of y'all probably say, Q, it's not that cold. I ride in 40. I used to ride, so the backstory y'all didn't know, I used to ride all the time. I only had a bike as my primary form of transportation back in the day. So I rode year round, summer, winter, spring, fall, 110, 20 degree weather, 110 degree, 120 degree, just 20 degrees. I was riding, man. You know what I'm saying? So, oh, it's a cute little puppy. Look at this thing, bro. So I used to ride all the time, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. Oh, I just blew my horn. First time ever blowing that damn thing. I usually just use the exhaust. But yeah, I used to ride all the time, but I think the saving grace right now is because it's winter time. So I'm not riding as much, because when I get back on this thing, I never want to sell it. Never wants to sell it. I never. Woo. I'm telling you, bro. Once that thing hit 8K in RPMs, fucking rocket. Jeez, a rocket, bro. Anyone who buys this bike is getting a hell of a bike. I'm telling you, besides those two issues I showed you, the bike is in great condition, man. Nothing's wrong with it. Strong. Super strong. I mean, I ain't gotta tell y'all, if you're looking for a BMW S1000, you already know what it is. Like, I ain't gotta tell you, you know? So I might get a cop right there. Get a pull right here. Woo! Oh my goodness, this bike, I can't go back that way. Gosh, this bike, oh, I tell my hobbies on the ride, but there's no lights on. If you're unfamiliar with the BMW S startup, you saw the flashing hazard, flashing ABS and whatever else light. That's a system check light. It's basically checking the system. As soon as you start riding like over 5 miles per hour or so, it goes away. It's just a system check light. So it's gonna be there flashing. I remember when I first started looking them up, I had no idea. I thought it was an issue when I was looking at video, but no, system check light. So anyway, guys, man, anyone who buys this bike is getting a hell of a machine. Yeah, man, so that's why I'm selling it. Really no secrets to it. There's nothing wrong with it. A lot of people ask me what's wrong with it, you know, something wrong and why you selling it. It's just trying to go a different direction right now. But definitely don't be surprised you see me back on tubes one day. So yeah, come buy the bike, man. I got it listed. You get Kicking It With Q bike, you know what I'm saying? And so I think it has a little clout, maybe, I'm not sure, but yeah, man. Anyway, that's all I got. I'll catch y'all on the next. Got any questions, hit me in the comments or DM, whichever one works. But I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.